Goal and expectation 5 years. Hello teacher, my name is Nini Joanna Ariza, public accounting student. My achievements in the medium term are at the personal level. I will seek to organize the house we have in the desired and dream way. Since a woman, I like beautiful things, such as a beautiful kitchen, a very nice bedroom, and dream finishes. In 5 years, my daughter will be 9 years old and will already be in school. I will be 37 years old, an age where I must have a maturity on a personal and spiritual level. Thank you.